you gotta do when it gets when the line gets long like that. Because if you don't do it like this, bro, we'll be on the line forgetting. Then you got other people skipping, as you saw. People still trying to cut in. So I'd rather do this, go this way, and then it'll be much faster than waiting in line. See, look at that line. That's crazy. And look, you see that skipper right there? Look at that skipper. The two of them right there, ready to skip them.